Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the Magic Expand tool in Canva. So I have this picture here and I need to fill in this gap here. So let's go to edit image and let's go to Magic Expand. Whoops. Then I'm going to select the 1:1 ratio because I just need to fill this in, and I'm going to select Magic Expand. Then it's going to load and it's going to fill the background fully, so that you won't have to zoom in into your picture and crop it. So I'm just going to wait here. They give you a few options to choose from. This one's the first one. This one's the second one. I'm still waiting for the third and the fourth one to kind of load. This one's the third one. And they have this fourth one here. I'm just going to choose the first one and I'm going to press done, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!